Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, I'm joining you here from Zoom land again. You can see I've got my headphones on, trying to make it sound a little better. We'll see if this works. Let me know if you like it. Hey, you can see my tiny little flag up here. So let's stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. Show me a good slant. Sit up all nice and straight. We're talking this week about a whole bunch of different strategies that can help you meet your goal, right? We talked about enthusiasm and like staying excited for your goal. That's really easy right after your PLP. Third graders, your PLPs are starting today. So you're going to experience that enthusiasm like, okay, I'm excited. I can meet this goal. Second one we talked about was responsibility. How do you make sure that you are responsible for taking care of your own things, following through on the part of the goal that you say that you are going to do? Your teachers are there to help you. Your parents are there to help you. But there's a part of your goal, probably a lot of your goal, that it's your responsibility to take care of, right? So if your goal is becoming a better reader by practicing reading every day, your responsibility is to do your reading. Like when your mom says it's time to go read, right? So we talked about responsibility yesterday. The third one we're going to talk about today is perseverance. Talk about this virtue quite often at Achieve, and it's one of the most important virtues just for life, right? Perseverance is that never give up virtue. Mrs. Wright and I sang the Never Give Up song too last time we talked about perseverance. I want you to talk today specifically. How is perseverance going to help you meet your goal, right? One interesting topic for conversation for your class might be, when do you think you're going to need to use perseverance? Maybe the first couple of days you're really excited about meeting your goal, but meeting your goal takes a long time, and you will have some point where you're going to need some perseverance. So think about never give up. Think about all those things that you tell yourself. Have a chat with your class. How will perseverance help you meet your goal? Have a great day, Achieve.